Daes. Hello,
Hello, Mama Jai. Hello po to all of our friends at the press. And of course, hello to everybody watching right now.
Emilio.
Mama Jai, maraming salamat. To the Star Magic family, maraming salamat. To all the kapamilyas watching, thank you so much. I'm very excited to be here.
Una sa lahat, congratulations. Umaga pa lang, trending na sa ating ex.
Talaga?
Yes!
Wow.
Trending na ang hashtag SM Spotlight Carmilio. Anong gusto niyong sabihin? Parang it all started doon sa photo na talagang nag-trending yung magkasama kayo. I don't know who posted the picture. Ikaw ba nag-post?
Ako po yun, Mama
Siya
Jai.
po,
Oh,
yeah.
anong say niyo doon? Trending kayo. Kanina pa, ang dami nag-ship sa inyong dalawa.
Oo po, una sa lahat, to all of our Carmilios out there na sobrang matyaga magpa-trending, grabe kayo. Maraming salamat. I see all of you and I love you all very much. And yung sa photo, that was the first time I got to see you. That's when you got out of the
Yes.
house. So wala lang, gusto niya lang ng photo. And-
At ayun na, marami na talaga ang mga kinilig at natuwa at nakitaan kayo sa picture pa lang ng chemistry. Emilio, you've mentioned sa past interview ko sa'yo, parang sabi mo before, wala namang pumapansin sa mga photos mo, sa mga posts mo. After your journey sa Pinoy Big Brother, maya't maya kang nagtitrending. What can you say?
Honestly, I'm still very in shock, I think. Kasi mahirap maniwala na parang ang warm ng reception ng mga tao sa inyo. It feels like I'm in a dream. Kasi syempre, lahat naman ng mga tao pinapangarap ang ganitong reception sa mga tao. Yung suporta ng mga tao sa amin, sa amin ni Nikita, sa lahat ng PBB collab. It's really heartwarming, and like I said, it really just makes me want to be a better person, work harder, and be the best that I can be para sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta.
Thank you so much. And now that you're finally here back sa outside world, kamusta si Kira? Na-miss mo
Okay
to?
naman, na-miss ko syempre. Na-miss ko talaga magtrabaho at syempre nakita mo naman siguro Mama Jane na sobrang busy kaming lahat sa mga promos and everything. Sobrang grateful po.
Totoo. Pero di ba medyo mas nauna kayo ni Charlie?
Yes,
Tapos
yes
Lay
po.
Emilio yung pinaka-latest talaga. Ano na yung mga changes right after your PBB stint? Paglabas mo, sabi mo nga busy ka. Pero syempre di ba you've experienced showbiz nung hindi ka pa nagpipinoy Big Brother. Nakapag-movie ka, you have this Maple Leaf Dreams na kinunan pa sa Canada. Chances are you and I and many more. Pero after PBB, ano yung pinagkaiba sa lahat ng mga naging ganap mo in showbiz?
For me, syempre this is the first time in my whole 11 years that I'm receiving this amount of love and appreciation. Sobrang nakakapanibago, sobrang nakakataba ng puso, and just like what Emilio said a while ago, it makes me want to do better, to be a better person, to be a better actress, all aspects po. I just want to do better, to give back.
Ikaw naman, Emilio, ilang araw na? 4th day, 5th day?
Hindi ko nga po mabilang, I think somewhere 4th or 5th day. But parang ngayon po, I'm just focusing on kung ano yung nasa harapan ko, kung anong guesting yung ibibigay sa akin, kung anong trabaho, parang ready lang po ako for anything. So yes lang ako ng yes. Siyempre, isang blessing na may trabaho dito, especially right after lumabas ng bahay. So I'm just trying to make the most out of it.
Ibang level ka nga eh. Nasa loob ka pa ng bahay, nilaunch na yung Love at First Sight.
Yes.
Speaking of pagiging busy, ngayon nasa labas ka, yun naman ang pagkakaabalahan mo, promoting your first ever leading man project. Ayan.
Opo, Mama Jai. Actually, hindi pa po kami tapos mag-taping. Meron pa po kami mga taping. So, definitely doing a lot of workshops. I actually haven't seen my castmates yet. Kasi medyo tuloy-tuloy po ang mga guestings. But I'm very hoping to see them very soon. Kasi namimiss ko na silang lahat. And I know na they've been promoting even wala ako sa bahay. So, I'm excited to see them again. And of course, I'm excited to promote Love at First Bite. Please, manood po kayo kasi we're working very hard. Lahat po kami sa cast and Derek, Evan, Payawal. So maraming salamat. Sana subaybay niyo po yun.
Pag-usapan naman natin, syempre fresh ang pagkakagaling niyo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kung meron kayong dalawa na bibigyan ng mensahe sa mga naiwang housemates inside the house, sino ang bibigyan niyo ng message at bakit? Let's start with Kira.
Can I give 2 messages?
Oh, syempre naman. Oo, wala tayong
For
ano
two
dito.
people, hindi ko
Ayan.
kaya pag-isa lang.
Okay.
Syempre, kay AZ and to Josh, grabe, miss na miss ko na kayo. I miss you so much and I'm still so happy to see the both of you tight. Syempre, kayong dalawa lang yung natira sa book club and it makes me so happy to see you guys being really, really close. And I'm so happy for your growth inside of the house. From day one up until now, grabe ang growth nyo. I see you guys opening up and I'm just so happy for you guys. Kaya just keep going. Keep going.
May mga shippers din, ano, kayong kishes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Oo. Ayan, ano namang gusto mong sabihin sa mga kishes? Alam mo, nung nalaman nila na gagawin natin ang Star Magic Spotlight, tapos nakita nila I'm with Kira and with Emilio, sabi nila, Mama Jai, i-ship mo naman din sila ang dalawa. Sabi ko, sige, kami nang bahala dyan. What's your message to your kishes?
Uy, mga kisses ko, kayo magtampo ha. Uy, I love you all so much. Pero, ayun na, let's keep supporting Josh. Nandun pa siya sa bahay ni Kuya and wait lang kayo.
Mahal ko rin ang Kish, ha? Supporter din ako ng Kish sa bahay pa lang.
supporter din siya.
So to all the Kishes, huwag po kayo mag-alala kasi Josh is doing really well. Support natin si Josh kasi kailangan niya ng support natin.
Totoo. How about you, Emilio?
Kung pwede, Mama Jai, lahat po sila kasi honestly, they're also special to me. It's very hard to really just single out a few people. Kaya, i-generalize ko na lang para sa lahat. So, mga housemates ko, mga kapwa kong housemates, please, wag po kayong, wag muna kayong magpahinga. Laban lang ng laban. Please pursue your dreams kasi alam naman natin lahat tayo mapangarap na lumaban and manalo. So, hopefully, you guys can do it. Please pray and sleep well and kumain kayo ng maraming pagkain ni Ate Klang. And I'll see you guys when you're outside.
Yun. Ako, pag lumalabas na sila, nakikita-kita sila, bumubuo sila ng mga group chat, ganyan. Na-mention ni Kira yung about sa growth, di ba? Yung nakita niya yung growth ng ibang mga kasamang mga housemates. Kayong dalawa, ano yung masasabi ninyo that you guys have grown or changed because of your time inside the house? Emilio.
Ako naman po, Mama Jai, in terms of growth, I think mas nakilala ko po yung sarili ko. Kasi sa bahay po ni Kuya, marami pong mga beses na nagre-reflect ka talaga na mag-isa. Kasi wala kang cellphone, wala kang distractions, parang hindi talaga maiiwasan na iisipin mo yung buhay mo, kung sino ka talaga. Especially for me kasi pagpasok ko sa bahay, one of my goals was to become a better actor. And how can I become a better actor? I have to understand myself first more. So, talagang dinadamdam ko talaga lahat ng mga nararamdaman ko, pinapansin ko. And I believe that that's one of the keys to being an actor na you have to understand yourself first, feel everything, and hopefully it will translate on screen.
Actually, yung sinabi mo, hindi lang sa pagiging actor, di ba? Yung dinadamdam mo at hindi mo ini-invalidate yung nafe-feel mo bilang tao. Di ba? Napakaganda niyan para sa lahat. Yes. Thank you so much. Kira.
Ako naman po, before going into PBB, sobrang introverted ko po. I had a very hard time socializing with people my age. Pero ngayon po na nag-PBB ako, na-survive ko yun, and I know that I have good people as my friends. Parang mas naging open po ako chumika. In other words, sobrang nag-improve po yung social skills ko. That's something that makes me super duper happy. Because the world is opening up to me and it's nice to talk with other people. It's nice to get to know others because you can learn so much from them. Ayun lang.
Pero alam mo, Mama Jai, hindi ko akalain na introvert si Kira. I told her when I first spoke to her inside the house, I thought she was very extroverted. So nagulat ako nung sinabi niya sa akin na introvert pala siya.
Mahiyain siya. Kasi she started very young. Alam niyo ba, trivia lang sa hindi nakakalam. Correct me if I'm wrong, di ba? Yung story of how Kira was discovered. Ate Abby from Star Magic before, Abby Niesa, nakita ka niya sa mall. Di ba? Tapos inabutan ka niya ng calling card niya.
Natakot siya.
Oo, di ba? Share mo naman yan, baka yung iba hindi pa sila aware kung paano ka nakita sa mall. Siya yung mga maswerte talaga, yung ganda talaga, nakasalubong sa mall.
Lutang ang
Inabutan ng
ganda.
calling card, di ba?
Lutang ang
Oo.
ganda.
Buti lang, Mama Jai, ito naman. Hindi, pero I was in the mall with my mommy. Kasi kumakain na kami ng ice cream. Tapos nung time na po yun kasi, uso sa mall yung bigla kang lalapitan, aalukin ka ng kung ano-ano.
Ballpen.
Mga ganun nagbebenta. So nung lumapit si Ate Abby sa amin, akala ng mami ko may gustong ibenta sa amin. She was like, no, no, no. Tapos sabi ni Ate Abby, no, mommy, I'm from Star Magic, EDS. Ganun si mami ko, hindi siya makapaniwala, and that's where
The rest is history,
The rest
diba?
is history.
Galing.
Alam mo ba, Emilio, nung 16 ka nun, di ba? Tama? 14.
40.
14. Unang sabak niya, parang ako agad ang isa sa naka-interview sa'yo, di ba?
Wow.
Yes.
Full
Yes.
circle mo.
Kaya kanina, sabi ko nga sa kanya, ang galing no, pagpasok at paglabas mo ng PBB, meron tayong Star Magic Spotlight. I remember I hosted also your Maple Leaf and Chances Are You and I. And congratulations, we are all very happy for you. And sa mga questions ko, I believe I'm done with my questions. Now, I'll take over I'll give the floor to our friends from the press. At ang unang magtatanong na kasama natin, sabi niya, ako daw, meron tayo.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Pero meron tayo, ayan.
Kate Adahar.
Ayan, kasama natin Random Republika at Kate Adahar. Ate Kate, magandang hapon.
Hello. Hi, good afternoon. Hi, first for Kira. If babalik ka sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, what would you do differently this time?
If I would go back, honestly po, nothing. Everything played out exactly how it was supposed to. And it may have taken me a little longer than the others to open up. But I'm super proud with my experience. I'm happy with my journey inside the house. And I don't think there's anything that I need to or would like to redo.
Thank you. And for Emilio, kasi na-focus sa loob ng bahay yung pag-shift mo to showbiz from investment banking. And not a lot of people know that you graduated with a management engineering degree, tagged as one of the hardest courses in the university.
Hindi naman
So,
po.
kung may mga nanonood na ka-age mo na nag-iisip mag-shift ng career, ano yung advice na mabibigay mo? Kasi hindi madali yung gano'n.
I think one piece of advice I can offer you guys is to be true to yourself. Kasi ako, the reason why I made the shift is because I personally wanted to. And inisip ko talaga siya for about a year. And talagang hindi talaga nawawala sa isip ko yung showbiz or pumasok sa industriya. So, for me, it's really about self-reflection and being true to yourself. If you feel that you're not in the right place and you know where to switch, then jump all in and do your best when you do it. Kasi when you jump, you have to make sure you're ready to back it up with work and intention. Kasi yun naman talaga yun eh. So that's something that I can give to you guys.
Thank you, congratulations.
Thank
you
you
so
po.
much.
Thank you, Ate Kate. Next question. Manggagaling naman of course kay Dessa Taiting of When in Manila. Ang tanong para sa inyong dalawa ito. Mukhang hirap ng tanong na to. Sino sa palagay ni Emilio at ni Kira ang big winner?
Oo. Alam niyo, ilang beses akong natanong yan. Iba-iba ako ng sagot kasi lahat talaga sila deserving. They're all deserving. They all have their strengths and I like to think lahat naman sila napapakatotoo naman sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ay, ang hirap.
It's hard. It's super hard.
Big Four.
Big
Sige,
Four.
Big
Four.
Four.
Big
Oh, sige, Big
Okay,
Four.
Big Four.
Ako muna.
Ako muna. O sige. Yung Big Four ko para sa akin, personally, definitely Will Ashley. Pero ba dahil sa Kapuso, Kapamilya, si Esnir. From Kapamilya again, River Joseph. Ralph De Leon, sorry, can't forget him. And another one, AZ. So, big five. Pero syempre, everyone else is all super deserving. Lahat sila deserving maging big four. Kung pwede nga, lahat kami big winner, diba? Kasi lahat naman kami deserving maging big winner. We're all doing our best to be big winners. So, yeah.
Totoo yan. Thanks, Emilio. Kira.
Ako naman, Esnir.
Esnir.
Grabe si Bakulong. Magaling
Galing
siya.
ni Esnir,
Ang galing,
oo.
matalino. Josh.
Yeah.
Pero bakit yung Josh parang may
Josh.
Bakit
Pero
ganon?
paano, hindi ako dito, syempre. So, Esmir, Josh, AZ. AZ, my girl. Oh my goodness. At saka si... River. Iba talaga yung bite ni River. Sobrang.
Totoong tao talaga. I love River.
O diba, nahirapan sila. Lahat ata ng mga nanggaling sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, pinakamahirap sagutin kung sino sa palagay nila ang magiging big winner. And thank you for answering, giving us your big four. I-segue ko na dun sa question ni Ate Dessa ng Wedding Manila, si Mikey Viñas of Kapamilya Vines. Para sa inyong dalawa, if you will be given a chance na makabalik sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, sino ang gusto mo na makaduo, yung next na makaduo?
Siguro po ako, si Josh. Si Josh yung gusto kong makaduwa. Actually, nag-usap kami bago ako pumasok ng eviction room. Sabi niya sa akin, "Oh, Emilio, tayo magduduo kapag bumalik ka dito." Sabi ko, "Game bro, game." So I think, kung babalik ako ng bahay, si Josh yung pipiliin ko duo.
Actually, nung last time na nag-guest ka sa akin, parang may mga nag-tweet regarding that. May mga nagsabi, Emilio, na parang kung hindi ka na-evict, di ba, parang possible na si Josh talaga ang narikado mo. Oh, okay. Kira.
Ako naman, sobrang nag-curious po ako kay Cyril.
Yes.
Parang napapanood siya, parang ang chill niyang tao. Parang feeling ko po na magkaka-vibes po kami.
Totoo, magkaka-vibes natin ni Cyril. Oo.
Totoo
Mataas
yan.
ang kulitan niyo. For
Oo.
sure.
Diba?
Ilalabas ni Cyril yung kulit mo.
I'm for
100%.
sure, if given the chance, a little more time,
Segue tayo.